What's up, Ricardo? My name is Devin Norton. Thank you for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 tips on how you can show up first on Google with your website so you can start beating cloud roofing. Because if you type in roofing company San Antonio, they come up first and it's really easy to beat them. You're probably asking though, why would I even make this video for you? It's simple. There's a lot of contractors that are so busy running their business, they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I create these attack plans, I give them away for free. A lot of people do this stuff themselves. Some people call me back and have me do it for them. Whatever you want to do is okay with me. My only goal is to help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. But I wanted to start by saying I love your Facebook page. I went over to go find your website. It looks like your website is taken down. That's okay. I'll still give you advice on what you can do. And you can make a free website. If you go to like Weebly.com like this, you can make a free website on Weebly.com if you want. Anyways, let's get into it. So you have a great website. I love all the images and the photos you have here. Great job there. We can put all that stuff on your website. Now, the 3 things that rank a website at the top of Google are content, backlinks, and citations. So first off, you want to have more content than your competitors when you make your website. Content is everything that you can read here, all the stuff on the front page. So what you want to do is find out all the content that they have right here. They have 1,048 words. So what I would do is I would write 1,500 words and I would blow them out of the water and put more content on your homepage. Then inside of that content, I would put keywords like roofing company San Antonio, just things that people are going to type into Google when they're ready to buy from you. Roofing company San Antonio, roofing San Antonio, metal roof San Antonio roof. You can see roofing company San Antonio, 900 people every single month search that. Roofing San Antonio, 600 people search that every month. So you want to take that and put that inside of your content when you're writing all of this and you're writing more content than them. All right. So that's my first tip. My next tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is important. Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for your website. Keep in mind though, like I said, they want to see trustworthy, relevant websites, which means you're going to get a lot more power if you have other roofing companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There's free tools out there. Just go on Google and type in backlink checker and you can find all of this. But it says Cloud Roofing has 134 websites linking to them. So what you need to do is beat that. What I would do is I would just copy them. I would go to every single one of these websites, these 134 that are linking to them, and I would get these same exact websites linking back to you. It's usually very easy. Like on Yellow Pages, you just create a profile, put a link in your profile to your website, and boom, you have a backlink from Yellow Pages. Same thing with Super Pages, Directory, Owens Corning. You just go register with the Owens Corning, saying that you're a preferred contractor, stuff like that. If you follow just these 2 tips, If you follow just these 2 tips where you beat them with these backlinks plus you beat them in content, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked to this front spot right here on Google. But I'm going to give you one last tip, and that's how to show up right here at the top of the map pack. Getting here requires having more citations than your competitors. If you're wondering what a citation is, it's just when you list your name, your address, and your phone number inside of a directory. If you're wondering what a directory is, it's just a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, stuff like that. So if I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories integrity, roofing, and siding was in. I'd put myself in those same directories, and then I'd add a bunch more on top. If they were in 150 directories, I'd put myself in like 300. And that is all I've got for you. I hope you found this informative and helpful, Ricardo. I tried to keep this very short and to the point. As a quick recap, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words of content on this homepage when you build your website. And you're going to want to put keywords in there like roofing company San Antonio, roofing San Antonio, stuff like that. Then you're going to want to take the websites that are linking to Cloud Roofing, all 134, and get those same websites linking back to your website. And then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than integrity, roofing, and siding. And if you follow these 3 tips, Ricardo, this is enough to get you ranked on the entire front page of Google right here and start getting all the calls that come with that. So you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first option is to take this information and do it all yourself. And that's awesome. A lot of people do that. If you go that route, all I ask you to do is just send me back some feedback and let me know what you thought about this video if you thought it was helpful. The other option is have me do it for you, or if you have any questions, you can call me. I'd be happy to hear your goals and at least give you a free attack plan on what to do next. Either way, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. It was great meeting you earlier, Ricardo. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you have a great day. See you later.